Hi, a couple of people have asked me, as a result of a video I put on YouTube, how to mount a GoPro onto an Smove gimbal. And the easiest way is, when I got this Smove, it came with this, where a GoPro fits into it, and it also had a clamp across here with a screw, but I lost it. But it doesn't really matter because I just use an elastic band. In fact, I wouldn't use this, I'd use a couple of them in case it fell off, or a stronger one. And all you do is you simply slide this into your Smove, awkwardly, bad preparation, tighten it up, you don't want it slipping out. Stick your GoPro in with an elastic band, wrap it around twice. I've got a thumb mark now on the camera. You want the balance thing here. I wish there was a bigger one than this. There probably is somewhere. I must try and find one because it's not really in a good balance. Make sure it's tightened up. It's not. Oh, it's not works this time. Usually it doesn't work. I don't know what I've done there. That's a good thing. Anyway, so that's facing you with the rubber band. I'm not watching what I'm doing here. And have it either way, of course. Turn it around, facing away from you or towards you. And Bob's your uncle, as they say in the north of England. Hope it helps.